Good afternoon. My name is Towin, metric number 261761, and today I'll be presenting to you my lab assignment 2 for STIW 2044 mobile programming. So let's start with restarting the app so we can see the splash screen. And here you can see the splash screen and it loads into the login page. In the login page, we have this title, which is DropBites, and we have this text field for our email address and another text field for our password. And we also have this remember me switch, so it can save our email address and password into the shared preferences so that it's easier for the user to just log in the next time he logs out. So we have two buttons, register and login, and we also have this function where we can send an email reset password to whatever email that the user has. And so let's go into the registration view. So this is the registration view. We have a text for our full name, our email address, we have a password and our contact number. And we also have this checkbox for EULA, a register button, and a navigator back to the login screen if we click wrongly into the register view. So let's start with registering a new user. So let's put in a name and email address. And one thing about this text field is that it can detect format errors. So if my email is not valid, it's just gibberish, I'll get a snack bar that says that we have an invalid email. And this actually also applies to the phone number. So if we can just correct it, this. And if our phone number, let's say it's gibberish with alphabets in it, we get this invalid phone number snack bar. So if we type it in correctly, then we can actually register a user if all the formats are correct. But one thing here is that if we don't accept the EULA, we won't be able to register the user as well. So we can click into here, we get the dialog, the end user license agreement, and we can scroll down. At the bottom, we have a button where we can accept the terms of the EULA. And once we click on it, this checkbox actually ticks itself. And right here, right now, we can actually register a user. So let's do it. And we get a user confirmation to register. Okay. And when we click it, this progress indicator will pop up until it successfully registers. And when it successfully registers, we get prompted back into the login page. And we can actually check to see if the user is created in our database. So we can see here that the user that I created just now is in the database. We have our full name, our email just now, our password, which is encrypted by SHA-1, and we have a phone number, and we have credits, store credits, which is default to 0 for now, and we also have a registration date, and I should be getting an email, registration verification email soon. It may be slow depending on the hosting, so I might fast forward if I need to. And then here we have it. We have the DropBites registration verification. So if we click on it, we get a link to verify our email that we used to register now. Then we click on it, we get prompted and we can get this message that states our email is actually verified successfully. And after it is verified, we can actually log in using the email and the password that we got. And once we log in, we get to the main menu page. And that is all for my lab 2. So thank you.